Okay, hello everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer once again with another video. And today I bring you Pac-Mania on the Commodore 64 from 1988 by Namco. Classic game, classic franchise. I have reviewed some different Pac-Mania games. They are great, so let's see how it plays on the Commodore 64. So I believe the original arcade version came out in 87 or so. Yeah, okay, so here we go. I play as this of course Pac-Man, who is hungry and want to eat pills. And I need to eat all the small pills. And in order to advance. And this, of course, this... oh shit. Big pill turn the enemies into a different color so I can feed on them. In this case black. And it gives me a lot of points, of course, when I eat them. And I can of course jump in this game. I should try to remember that. Like that. Oops, that was a close one. Shit. Oh shit, there are many of them. Shit! Ooh, yes, it gets a little hectic there. So I lost my first life. Perhaps, hopefully I can finish it. Did I die again? Fuck. It's only one dot left. Yes. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit sloppy there, but it's a little hectic when I get cornered there. Okay, so here we go again. Yeah, I'm not very good at this game. I actually played this for first time a couple of months ago, so yeah. But I'm liking it. Liking it very much actually. Come here. Let's eat this candy here, or fruit. 5,000 points. Ooh, let's jump. Ooh. Oh shit. Damn it. They show up so all of a sudden, so it's a little hectic. So I should try not to... Oh, here is another candy. And I miss it. Yes, but it didn't give me any points. Hell. Oh, shit. Yeah, hope I can make this level as well. Would be really fun actually. Ay caramba. Come on, get. There you go. Now it's feeding time. Come here, you lousy bastard. He's so quick. Yeah, there you go. Woo! Hey! Yes! Woo! So where are my last pills? Let's go this way and hope for the best. Ah, there they are. There are a lot of enemies here. Ooh, yes, I made it. Ooh. So I have finished 2 levels, so it's not that bad actually. Ooh. Yeah, it sounds good, and controls is pretty responsive and good as well. It looks decent, but it's not the best looking game on the Commodore 64, but it looks pretty good actually. Oh shit! Yes, okay, so I'm a little bit confused here. When they are in the feed, when I can feed on them or not. They're pretty quick. There you go. Yeah, Let's go down here. Yeah, I have a little bit of coffee here. 8,000 points. Ay caramba, det var sloppy. So please comment in the comment section if you like this game, this version, or which Pac-Mania is your favorite, personal favorite. Please comment. Would really like to know. Oh shit. Shit, there are so many of them. Oh, damn it. Do I have only two left? 2 pills left? Game over. Yeah, I think I had only 2 left. But never mind, we have seen the game. Can I... No, I cannot write on the keyboard. So I don't want to mess with this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, cool game. Cool game. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. I recommend it. That's it for today. Have a good one. Goodbye.